Today I'll be showing you exactly how to clear your WordPress cache, so if you've ever made changes to your site and wondered why they aren't showing up, or you're troubleshooting a stubborn issue, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to delete those pesky cache files and make sure your latest updates are visible to everyone instantly. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the WordPress cache and why clearing it matters. Caching is a technique WordPress uses often with the help of plugins, where it stores copies of your site's pages, styles, and scripts so that visitors can load them faster. It's a great way to speed up a website, but sometimes, especially after updates, you might see old content lingering. That's our cue to clear the cache. The most common way WordPress sites handle caching is through a caching plugin. There are a bunch out there, but today we'll focus on one of the most popular, W3 Total Cache. If you have a different caching plugin, don't worry, the general process will be pretty similar. So with your admin dashboard open, let's clear your cache using W3 Total Cache. In your left-hand menu, hover over the Performance tab. That's where W3 Total Cache puts all its key settings. Go ahead and click into Performance, then select Dashboard from the dropdown. Now don't be overwhelmed by all those options on the dashboard. What you're looking for is a button labeled Empty All Caches. This button is the big reset for your caching system. When you click it, you're instantly telling WordPress and W3 Total Cache to toss out all the stored versions of your site's content, almost like pressing a refresh button not just for yourself, but for every visitor. This part is important because if you've recently made changes, maybe updated some text, swapped out an image, or tweaked your site's layout, those changes might be stuck behind the cached version. By emptying all caches, you wipe out those old copies and your site starts serving the fresh, new content. Click Empty All Caches, and just a heads up, this might take a few seconds, especially if your site is large or gets a lot of traffic. You'll usually get a quick confirmation message at the top, letting you know the cache is cleared. If you don't see any errors, you're all set. Once you've done this, it's a great idea to visit your site in a private window or clear your browser cache just to confirm your updates are visible. It's a trick I use all the time, especially after changing settings or updating plugins. If you're still not seeing changes, try refreshing the page a few times. Sometimes it takes a moment for everything to sync up. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to delete your WordPress cache and make sure your site is presenting the latest and greatest version to the world. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. It really encourages me to keep making more tutorials. If you run into any issues or have questions about clearing your cache, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more WordPress tips and straightforward guides, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.